Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Mr. Austin, can you hear me?
Hello, Bruno.
Can you hear me? Oh, please say yes.
Bruno, can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
I cannot hear you.
Of course not. Wait. Change layout, caption, report of view, settings, surface. Oh, there it is a problem. Okay, can you hear me now?
I can't hear you now. Okay.
All right. Okay, am I good on recording? I am good on recording. All right. Say something.
I'm saying something.
Okay, good. Let me
Okay.
lower you a little
Awesome.
bit there. Okay. All right. So, how are you?
I'm great. I'm sorry that I couldn't meet at the time that we specified. There was just
That's
a
okay.
lot going on without you.
It's okay. Priorities, priorities. It's good that you chose the right one. Okay. Um, so, where do you have any questions before we start?
So, how am I supposed to get Xamarin working on Visual Studio?
Okay. So, if you share your screen, well, I can guide you through it.
Well, my laptop needs to be let in. Sorry, I'm using
Okay.
two different devices.
Uh, yeah. Today I'm not, which is a good thing. I
Nice.
finally got the thing to work here. Let's see. I have not logged into this machine. Yeah. Let me know when you're up.
Okay.
See my options. There you are. Oh, cool. Let's bring it up desktop. Interesting. Hold down. I don't even know if I have Xamarin installed on my machine. There you are. Yes, yes. Notifications. Wait, there are no notifications at all already. Do this.
I might have joined the wrong one.
Oh, I have sent you new emails, so I might need to check the latest one.
Yeah.
Oh, I wonder if this thing is shouldn't.
There it is.
Okay.
Okay.
All
There
right.
it is. Okay. I'm sorry, I was on the wrong email.
Oh, yeah, fine. Okay. So
Okay,
if you
let me
share,
share my
yeah,
screen.
share your screen.
Okay.
You know, there's a thing in Visual Studio that allows me to connect with you, and I always
Really?
wanted to do this. Let's see, join, send feedback. How do I do this? Extensions, tools, remote, edit remote. I'll check later. Okay. So yeah, let's go ahead and open Visual Studio.
Okay.
Close this. And go to your Xamarin inventory. All right. So on the top there on the Solution Explorer, actually, can I hover things over? You can't what? Can I write on your screen? No, maybe not. Never mind. Okay. Right there on the top of the Solution Explorer, there's a bunch of icons, like a little house, and yeah, there's one that is a minus sign. Yeah, that one. Collapse all.
Oh, awesome! I love
Okay.
that.
All right. So right click on the solution, say add,
Okay.
and there should be a new project.
Okay.
So yeah, oh, you have already been playing with this. Okay, so we want to do. Well, you have an Android phone, right?
I have an Apple phone, but like I guess you told me that I can't really
Yeah, you can't without
build
a.
Apple.
Yeah, correct. So for you to be able to deploy a iOS application into iOS device, by that I mean a Mac, to be able to
Okay.
compile.
I
There's
do. I do
always
have an Android tablet that I can use,
okay, that will
but
work.
it's super slow.
Well, we can use the emulator for now. So what we probably want to create then is a, let's see which one here, iOS. Scroll down for me, please. tvOS, probably not. Binding, library, action extension. Type the word Android on the search templates up there. There you go. Android app, Xamarin. Yep, that's the one.
Okay.
Say next. Okay, so we want to call this, what is the name that we've been using? So it needs to be Axiom inventory dot pl for presentation layer dot Android. Okay, so that's the correct location. So just click on create, and then magic will happen. Oh, maybe not. Single view, navigation, drawer, tab, app, blank app. Probably navigation drawer, the second one.
Yeah.
And then you can choose the minimum version. Do a drop down on that. Click on it. Wow, did you install all of those?
So I got the Xamarin extension for Visual Studio, and I guess it came with all this.
It's just because each one of those guys is like a gig.
Really?
Yeah. So let's do. I don't even know what the. Oh, great! I forgot my tablet up there. I don't know when did they near these versions? What is the supported versions right now? Because I don't want to go really old and then.
Well, so what I've seen is from the most common that I've seen is the
10.
9, 10.
10 because okay, so I went to this website. Oh, I guess I need to share my screen. Can I share my screen? Your entire screen, a window, a tab. Window. This will take over Austin. Okay, never mind. Let me give you the link and you open the link. Let me paste it in chat. And then if you click on chat and then open in browser and share on that screen.
Let's see, where's...
Yeah, click on that. Okay, so what you will want to look for sometimes is end of life. So see right there, it says the only one that has security support right now is 10. All the others are no, 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 no.
Okay.
And also the scroll up. Yeah, the release was 2019. So that's, yeah. If a person is not on 10, then they cannot run your app. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, minimize this and let's go back to the selection and select 10.
Okay.
End of life is a known term for example, XP has reached end of life, so has Windows 7. So
Okay.
there's no more updates unless you pay a huge amount of money to Microsoft.
Wow. Okay.
So yes, select the minimum Android version to be 10, and
Okay.
then go OK. All right, so magic just happened.
Awesome.
Okay, so right-click on PL Android and let's see what happens when you try to run it. I mean, right-click on PL Android and select Set as Default. There's a default startup project. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay, and then just start. Let's see what happens.
Okay.
I'm assuming it's going to try to launch a emulator. Oh, it already gives an error. Doesn't exist in the namespace. Are you missing an assembly reference? Double click on that error. Where's the error? Oh. Okay. It's not giving us quickly line. Generated enum. Grant results. What is this? Scroll to the left for me, please. Oh, he's checking for. He's checking. Is this some kind of installation check? Can I request unpin? No. Okay. Okay. Go to Android. The word Android. That says right where you are on the where your cursor is. You see that you're on Android. Okay. Right click on that. And give a quick action refactoring as the first item. Okay. Try to compile. Try to launch again. Maybe it was downloading something. Click on start again. No, it doesn't. Great. Why can't things be easy? Why? Why? Okay. So D type or. Okay, let me show you. Actually, instead of me finding the solution, you find the solution. So right click on that error message on description. Say copy. Okay. Open Notepad or something that you can type in. There should be a There you go. Notepad as Yep. Just Control A to select everything.
A.
And then Control V to paste it, as in Victor. There you go. Okay, you want to copy this part that says the type or namespace content does not exist in namespace, and stop there. No, don't take the axiom, because axiom is unique to you. So copy that. Okay, go to Chrome or Google. Open a new tab. Paste that in there. Okay, yeah, click on that first item. Okay, scroll down. Okay, keep going. Clean solution, close Visual Studio, delete bin. Seriously? Okay, go back. Go back one. I mean, go back to the result. No, result page in Google. Go back one. Yeah, there. Look for something in Stack Overflow. There, the one on the bottom. Yeah, that one's a Stack Overflow. So I created a new blank cross. Yep, that's what we just did. Scroll down. And that's the exact same thing that we got. Then doing below solve the problem. What did it went? Recommend to update to Android SDK. We don't have the Android SDK installed. Okay. So open your start menu and look for the word Visual Studio on the bottom left of Windows. Yeah, just type in Visual Studio. Yeah, that one, Visual Studio Installer. Yep.
What? What just happened?
That one. Yep. Yeah. All right, click on Modify. Um, see where it says individual components on the top?
Yeah.
Click on that. Okay, look for the word Android here. Just do a search on the top there, Android, yep. Oh, too much. Oh great, I have this. This is weird, why? That's strange, I didn't think it was going to. Okay, local installation, mobile development with C++, Android SDK, level 31. Who is level 31? Android API level 31. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. You just have version 12 installed. That's why it's not working.
Okay.
But okay, close this. Go back to Visual Studio. Right-click into the PL Android on the Solution Explorer. Go to Properties. See where? Oh, it's already set to 12. Click there and try to go to 10. Or what options do you have there?
Okay. So go to 10.
Current project close. Yeah, say yes. Did it do whatever it was doing? No, it's still working. Okay. Now try to compile again.
Okay.
Do a start. Start.
Start.
Yep. Okay, go to version 12.0.99. Oh, what happened? Oh, you did? Do that?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't see it, sorry.
It's okay.
All right, try to compile again. Namespace
Did the same
content
thing.
design. Okay, go back to that version that was originally.
Okay.
Oh, Android. There was a message right underneath it. Okay, let's do this and you should right click again on the PL Android and go to properties again. Open that screen again, please. Okay, see there right underneath says Android SDK marked as with an asterisk to be installed. These SDKs
Okay.
are automatically downloaded and installed if automatic installation is enabled via. Okay, go to that setting. So look for enable auto install. Do you see that? No, there's a search on the top right of the Visual Studio, or top middle, the topmost middle.
Okay, I
Yeah,
see. Okay.
yeah. Look for enable auto install. Oh, that's wonderful. Okay, erase that line. We need to manually go in there. So you need to go to Tools, Options, Xamarin on the left. Yeah, Tools, Options. Look for Xamarin on the leftmost field. Yeah, or type it in. Yeah, click on the Android settings. And great. Auto install Android SDK is right there. It's checked already.
Okay.
Auto install. That's great. I gotta love Android. Okay. What I'm thinking is this thing still needs. Maximize this window. If you look on the bottom right, there's a little dragging thing that you can drag. Yeah. Make it as large as you can. Okay, so whoa, can't see there. Okay. No, it's fine. This is the high. This is the largest.
Okay.
It doesn't have any more options. Enable device configuration preserve application that cache between deployments. Class libraries warn if AVD acceleration is not supported. Install Android, enable Android migration experimental. Xamarin diagnostic velocity. Okay. Do you see the first path in there for Java Development Kit location?
Yeah.
Copy that. Go to your File Explorer and see if that location exists. So just paste that location in there.
Paste where?
There. Yes.
Here.
Yes. I don't think you copied it. Did you?
I did.
Okay. Then just press enter. Okay, that's a good sign. Do the same to the Android SDK location. The next field.
Okay.
And I was hoping one of those were done right. I'm wondering if we need to manually download the latest. Okay, go back to the screen where the error is happening. In Visual Studio, I cancel that screen because we didn't change anything. And just try to compile again. Let's see what happens. I want to see the error message. Okay, there. The type or namespace. Oops. Namespace name content does not exist. Okay, C# Xamarin VS 2022. Xamarin files content not found. Confused trying to find. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It doesn't like that your project has the name Android in it.
Okay. No.
So, yeah, delete that project.
Okay.
Okay. And then right click on the solution, say add again. New project. Yeah, same. It's on the left. Android app. Do you see the recent? Yeah, that one.
Yeah, I see. Okay.
Yeah, doesn't matter, whichever. Okay, so we want to call this one Axiom Inventory .pl .phone. There. Let's see if you get confused with that, and say create. And navigation drawer, and do change the version to 12, I guess. Well, 10 is fine.
Okay.
And okay. You went that fast? That was a little bit too fast. Okay, try to, yeah, right click on it and set it as default. Startup project. Okay, and run. Bless you. Bless you.
Excuse me.
Okay, say start. That's a good sign. I mean, that is taking a while.
Okay.
By the way, this is not going to be fun. I'm going to tell you right now.
Sweet. I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah. Because you think that designing interfaces is like the coolest, right? You're designing screens. Yeah, it's the most pain about thing that you do on a computer. Oh, there you go. No. Seriously?
Is it the
Wait.
same thing?
No, but that one is pointing to PL.
What?
It's looking for the same thing. Right click on the solution.
Okay.
And go to open folder in File Explorer. Is one of the last ones.
Okay.
Click on that. Delete that pl.android.
Oh,
Yep.
nice.
Yeah, when you delete off of Visual Studio, you're not really deleting it. You're removing it from the solution. But the files are still there.
Oh, wow. So it's going to take a while?
Yeah, the size is not that much. It's just there's a lot of files. There we go. Okay. So let's try to compile again. And if it doesn't work, then there's another trick. No, because I know what's going on. Yeah, see that his project is Android, PL Android. Axiom, yeah. Okay, so close Visual Studio. Okay, go to the directory where that your application is at.
Okay.
Do you remember where
Sorry, a
that
whole
is?
bunch of weird stuff is happening right now.
I think this is Windows 10 doing things.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, this is
Okay,
I think it's the widget. I don't know how you get out of it. I think you
Oh,
clicked
no.
on the, oh, yeah, that thing. Click on that.
This?
Maybe? Yeah, there, no. Oh my God. There we go.
Okay.
All right. Oh, this is Windows 10. Okay, I don't know what that thing was. Okay, so go to the directory where your files are at. We're gonna do a full cleanup. So on the top right, see there is a search Axiom inventory? Yeah. Type in bin, B-I-N, for binaries. And press enter. Okay. Delete those directories.
All of them?
All of them. So what happens is every time you compile, Visual Studio creates those directories to dump in the compilation, the files that were compiled.
Can I delete them? Yeah. Okay.
So just need to make sure that they are bin, they're not named binaries, because when you search for bin, binaries will pop up. Okay, now you want to look for the, they're not there. It's just the search has not updated. Now look for, we're not done.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay. Look for OBJ for object.
Okay.
So but it's just OBJ. Yeah, press enter. Okay, same thing, but don't delete objects. Just delete the OBJ directories.
Okay, so delete these.
And by the way, you can hold Control down and select other things, and that holds the selection.
Right. I knew about the shift.
Okay.
I didn't know about controller.
Yeah. So Shift to O, if you put it, if you select the top one and you hold Shift and you select the bottom one, you select everything in the middle. Control, if you click on the first one and you click on the last one, is just going to select those two. Yeah, those do not exist. It's because the search has not updated. If you do a search on binary again, you see there is no more bin directories. This is a thing in Windows. So look for bin again. See, it's not there. Now look for obj again. See?
Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't update. It's trying to be clever. And also, if you do a search again on obj, and if you had those extra obj ones, it wouldn't do anything. You'd think, oh, I already gave you those results. Why would you ask me to do it again?
That's hilarious.
Yes. So open Visual Studio again.
Okay.
So basically, we clean up all the. Oh, close this. Close Visual Studio. Yeah.
Okay.
How are you
I have
opening
to wait
Visual?
for it.
Oh, yeah, you need to wait for it to finish. Okay. Yeah, close that. By the way, the more projects you add, the slower it gets. Just FYI.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Love that.
I have a project that has 110 projects. It takes about like 3 minutes to launch. Okay, so what we want to do is, where is your Visual Studio? Oh, there on the back. How do you call it? How do you normally call it?
The shortcut?
Yeah, which shortcut? That one? Okay, so right click on it. Go, you didn't, did you? No, you didn't click. Okay, properties.
Properties.
Go to advanced. There's advanced button, sorry. Yeah.
Okay.
Click what? Why is it grayed out? Cancel this. Cancel again. Right click on that shortcut again. Run as administrator. This is weird. Okay, by the way, you should always run as administrator of Visual Studio. Because sometimes Visual Studio will try to do something to Windows and it can't because you're not running as administrator.
I see.
Yeah. Especially if you're doing a web app and you're trying to connect to IIS, it's going to give you problems.
Okay.
All right. Try to launch again. Now it should work. At least that's how the beautiful theory goes.
Okay. Should I go ahead and hit the
start? Yes. Oh, there it is. That's beautiful. That is good. that he detected that you're running Android and is giving you the name there. So this is probably going to be the first time around. It's going to launch the phone on your web on that.
Okay.
And notice
So
that some stuff is there on the right. Those things are normally, I mean, you don't get those things floating. Normally your phone is not here. There's like a floating thing next to it.
yeah, right.
That one is actually what the buttons, or for example, notice that there is like a, put phone to the side button.
Yeah.
So those are to emulate those types of things. Yeah, you're gonna sit here for a little bit.
Okay, so last time, because I did end up creating a project with Xamarin successfully, but
Okay.
it stayed in this emulator for like a solid 20 minutes and it still was loading.
There, it was this screen.
Yeah.
That is not a good sign.
Okay.
But you did. Is it doing anything? Yeah, it's moving the thing underneath, right? Yeah, there's a little line on the bottom there. Let's see here.
It's not moving at all.
No, it's moving. The little bar is moving. I mean, it's like
Okay.
doing the. So
Oh, I see.
Xamarin emulator install. How long? Why does it take so long? There we go. You need to share configuration. Probably you need something set wrong. Restart, apply again, create new project. Did it stay at this screen for a long time?
Yeah.
Okay. Look on the, go back to Visual Studio. I mean, don't stop anything, but go to Visual Studio and go to the output window. See that there's an output tab down there? You're on the error list. So there's an output tab. You need to click on it. Oh no, you're already on output. See there is a drop down that says service dependencies.
Mm-hmm.
Click on that. There it is, Xamarin Diagnostic Emulator. Oh, that's not good. Access control, allow origin, keep going to the right. Header has value that is not equal to the supply origin. Origin is therefore not allowed to access. Oh, do you know what that means?
I have no idea what that means.
Neither do I. Change Xamarin Diagnostic Emulator to just Xamarin Diagnostic. Got a device list from 0 devices looking for Android SDK. Okay, do another drop down. What else do we have? Look for the hot reload. The last one. Wow, hot reload works on Xamarin. Okay, go to the first Xamarin entry. That just says Xamarin. Okay. I don't know if those errors are normal or not. Maybe Bruno should have installed Xamarin on his desk and tried. Okay, go back to the emulator. Let's look at it.
Okay.
I don't feel a lot of confidence. Also, this thing is running. Do you see the power button up there?
Yeah.
Click on that. Does it do anything? Hold it for 10 seconds. I wonder if it actually obeys hardware resets like that. And it does not. Okay, close it. Stop the whole thing. Okay. See, there is the Pixel 5 has a little drop down on the top there. Oh, did it relaunch?
It started again.
Okay,
Yeah,
click on Visual Studio.
Okay.
Hold Shift and then press Shift F5. No, sorry, Control C.
Control C.
Yeah. Okay, Control break. Do you have a break on your keyboard? Or pause? Normally it's on the top right.
Yeah. Okay. Control break.
Okay.
That did nothing.
Close Visual Studio. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, click OK. On the bottom, where you have your taskbar, right click on it. Like not on an icon. It needs to be like an empty area.
Okay.
Or it
There's
seems like it's filled with
that
things.
doesn't exist.
Okay, right click on your Windows button on the bottom left.
Okay.
Okay, bring task manager.
Yes, the
Oh
force
no,
stop.
this? Okay. Yeah, click on Visual Studio 2022.
Yeah.
Click on End Task. And it doesn't do anything. Okay. Okay, did we install sysinternals? We did, didn't we?
I believe so.
Okay, go to C drive and go to sysinternals. If everything fails,
Okay.
we kill everything. So look for sysinternals on your C drive.
Oh my goodness, where is everything? Sysinternals?
Yeah, sysinternals. You do not. Okay, open Chrome.
Okay.
Do you like that anime? I didn't get too much into it.
I did enjoy it a lot.
Yeah, I watched like I think 3 episodes of it. I'm like, I don't care for the sister. I don't care for him. All right, look for sysinternals download. It's just sys like system internals, and then download. That first one.
Okay.
And you want to download the first entry there. Download sysinternal suite. Yep. I highly recommend you going through every single command on this thing and learning about it. It's really powerful
Okay.
tools in here. Okay, extract it. Okay, copy all of that. Control A.
Oh, you can control. Awesome.
Yeah. Control C. Well, yeah, that's fine. It's not harmful. I mean,
Okay.
yeah, in theory, copy.
Copy.
And then go to your C drive, create a folder called sysinternals. All one word, no spaces. Remember, as a developer, you do not. And there's a new folder button. Yep.
Yeah.
As a developer, you don't use spaces anymore. Okay, on file names, you never use spaces on file names. People say, oh, it's fine, it's Windows. Don't believe them. It's a lie.
Okay.
Just paste it there.
And then just paste them there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know for everything in my mind, I don't understand why Microsoft calls program files, and there's a space in the middle. The worst offender is program file space, open parens, x86, close parens. That one is the worst.
Yeah.
But, oh well. Because here's a fun fact that you probably will never get to experience. Oracle, it's a database system like SQL Server. Well, if any Oracle developer listens to this, they will like cringe. But so in Oracle, if you have a path and it has parens in it, it means, oh, I'm going to give you a network location. So guess what Oracle does when it sees that x86 in there? It thinks, oh, I need to go to that server. And then it fails.
Yeah, it doesn't exist.
No. Okay. So what you want to look is look for something here that is called Proc Explorer. If you start just typing the word proc, you don't need to search, or you can search. Proc Exp. And you want the 64 version, 64 bits. Yep. And yeah, just open it. I'll run as administrator or open. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Agree?
Agree.
And by the way, sysinternals now it's a Microsoft tool. It used to be like a separate entity that Mark Rashonovic, who is now the head of Azure. Okay, what you want to do is go to File on the top left and show details for all processes. And give it a second. It's going to ask you to... Oh, you just did it? Did you disable UAC?
What do you mean?
Click on Start on the Windows.
Start.
Just type UAC. Click on that. Change user account control settings. No. Don't notify me when I make changes to Windows settings. Okay, yeah, you did change it. No. Don't notify me when I make Windows settings. This is weird. Why is it set this way? Okay. Yeah, just cancel this. Never mind. This is weird. I was expecting like a pop-up or something. Go to File again. Okay, click on options. I mean the options one, yeah. Replace task manager.
Okay.
Because task manager is horrible. This is much better. Okay. Now minimize Chrome. Okay. Do you see close task manager in the background there? Yeah. And close this Windows File Explorer back there. Yeah, close those two. Okay. Do you see there's a little target thingy on the Process Explorer? It looks like a next to the binoculars.
Yeah,
There's
right
a target. That's an X. That's a kill. Do not press that.
This.
That one, yes. Now you're going to click and hold. Okay. Target Visual Studio and let go. Okay. What that did is it actually finds what the process that is running that window.
Okay.
Okay. So what you want to do now is right click on that dev environment and say kill. Kill process. And it's gonna ask you, are you sure? You say okay. See how that's better than Task Manager? It just went, it just go, because Task Manager is like, oh, could you please die? And Process Explorer is like, here's a machine gun there, here's some bullets, I'm going to kill you now. So do the same target thing to this thing.
Okay.
Okay, but okay, you don't want to kill that one. Wait. You don't want to kill that one because see the emulator.exe is higher level. Okay, if you kill that one, I bet emulator.exe is gonna launch it again. So here's what you do: instead of killing the children, you kill the parent, because then the parent is not there to feed the child, and the child will die. So you kill the parent. Yes, kill it, kill it, kill it. And say okay. There. Now it's really dead.
Okay.
No, it isn't, because there's more. There's more of these things. See, there's a cousin. Kill the cousin. See that there's a QMU right underneath. Yeah, kill that one too. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now it seems to be. Okay, see all these NS build guys? Kill all of them.
Yeah. I can probably just hit delete, can't I?
Yes, you can. Why are you running McAfee?
I don't know what that is. My grandparents had this laptop before I did, so they must have done that.
Let's. We're going to uninstall that as soon as. Okay. Yeah. Click on
I
start.
didn't know you could do that.
Yes, you can. Click on start.
There is nothing for me to resume.
Alexa, stop. Okay. Click on type in add, as in add and remove. There. Click on that one. Add and remove programs. Yeah, you do not want any antivirus. Antiviruses do not help you. Look for MC on that search list.
Right here?
On the no, yeah, down low. No, not there. Down where it says search this list. Yeah. Try there. Okay. Oh my God. Yeah. Delete. Click on those things and kill it. Yeah. Uninstall. Yes, please. Go away. It's gonna tell you how apocalypse is gonna come. Select what you want to remove. Yes, you want that. You remove all files too. Oh no.
Oh no.
That's okay. That's okay. It's okay. It's okay. At least it's gonna remove that thing. Oh my gosh. See, you can tell that is evil because the McAfee logo looks like the demon. So that's why you remove it.
Yeah.
Because here's the problem with antiviruses. What they do is they make your machine less secure because it needs to like extend its little tentacles and connect to all these subsystems within Windows. And also it makes your machine really slow.
Yeah.
The only antivirus that you need is the one that comes with Windows. And just don't install stupid stuff. Like like super shady websites. Or that one application that is gonna give you 1,000 coins in whatever game you're playing. Yeah, don't install those applications either.
Yeah.
In either way, the McAfee wouldn't have stopped you anyways.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this thing takes forever. Yeah, any antivirus, the only one that you need is the one that comes with Windows.
Man, and they really make it a process for you to remove it.
Oh yeah. Restart later. Click on the next one. Yeah, uninstall that. Yes, uninstall. Oh, that one's
That
much.
one was easy.
Yeah, okay, and the next one too. And uninstall that. Uninstall. Never ever install that stuff again, okay? Anything by McAfee, just stay away. What? No thanks, just uninstall it. Unless all the browser
Okay.
windows, oh God. That means you're gonna stop this call.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, just stop this. Well, we're talking on the other one, so we'll continue being able to talk. So just click
Okay.
OK. Did it close all the windows?
Apparently it didn't.
Yeah, because your video stopped. So is it doing
Okay.
a bit of uninstalling? After you finish, just restart the box.
Okay.
And you might get about like 10% or 20% speed increase just by doing
Nice.
that.
Okay.
We probably need to go through your software installed list and remove stuff that you don't need. Also, I noticed that you don't have you haven't updated. Do not update now, but do update later.
Okay. I was reluctant to do Windows 11.
No, do not go to don't go to Windows 11 yet.
Okay.
Stay on 10. I mean, I'm on 11, but there are things with it. So
I'm joining back with my laptop.
wow, you restarted that fast.
Yeah. I'm insanely fast.
Oh, okay. It didn't your machine doesn't feel like it? Maybe it was okay. Um. Oh, interesting. Okay. So do you understand what this is?
All of this.
Yeah.
I mean, like you said, it's the different things running on the machine,
Yes.
just like whatever the test is for.
Yes. So expand this view. So I think it's a good time for us to just give a quick look see at this. Yeah, just maximize it.
Okay.
Okay. And what I want you to do is click on like where it says company name. Just right click on it, on the top there,
Where?
on the header of the columns. The headers.
Company name?
Yeah, any of
Ah,
them.
I see.
Yeah. Just right click
Mhm.
and say select columns. And on the right row of those checkboxes, there's the fourth one from the top says command line.
Mhm.
Okay, click on that. Say okay. Okay. Expand that thing. By the way, if you double click, you expand to the maximum size.
Okay.
Okay. So what these are is actually the command line that executed in Windows to make that application launch. Okay.
Ah.
So this also gives you what the parameters were used to make that thing launch. Okay.
Okay.
So anything that has so you scroll up to see who owns all this stuff. So whatever, oh, McAfee is still here. There's more McAfee on this thing. Okay, we can remove it later. Are you sure you
Yeah.
did restart, right?
I did not restart. Oh, I have to restart the
Austin?
whole machine, don't I?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Go ahead and do that.
All right.
Do not update. Oh no. Just update and restart. That's fine.
That's gonna
Okay.
take forever.
No, it's okay. I'm assuming the machine is already doing it because you just froze. Okay. So what those, and you might ask, why do I need to know this stuff, right? Okay, here's the thing. When you're running IIS and you're running multiple applications, do you know what IIS is? I guess I don't think I explained that.
I'm not really sure.
Okay, so IIS is Internet Information Services. Do you know what Apache is? Hello?
I'm sorry, Bruno. My AirPods just connected to the wrong thing.
Oh, that's fine. Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
I can. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Okay.
Oh, good.
Sorry about that.
No, you're fine. You don't need to apologize. Technical issues are things that we do. Okay, so So IIS is what hosts websites in Windows.
Okay.
Okay. So what happens is you can host multiple applications within one machine. And what you do is, do you know how normally you go to like a website and you have these forward slashes on the address bar?
Yeah.
Okay. Those sometimes can be different applications within that same server. So the thing that I just showed you with that command line thing, without it, you wouldn't be able to tell what processes are running what website. Okay.
Okay.
So with that, you can. Can you share your screen or not yet?
Yeah, let me share my screen real quick.
Wow, that update took like it was really quick.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's
What
just.
Got all kinds of programs just running.
Okay. Oh, by the way, click on go to back in, right click on the start menu and go to task manager. Is the first, yeah, there it is. Don't worry, pretty soon it's gonna be second nature to you. Why is that thing launching? Oh, okay, good.
Oh, it's still Process Explorer.
Yes. So so now this thing is the one that launches. See, there's some graphs on the top there.
Yeah.
Click on it,
Okay.
and you can see the
okay.
view. And see that where it says show one graph per CPU on the top, on the bottom left.
Mhm.
Click on it. So
Whoa.
those are all your cores. Notice there is a slight difference in separation between them.
Uh-huh.
Okay, the ones that are really close together, that means is within the same core and is running two processes. So basically what this thing is telling you is you have 4 CPUs with 2 cores each.
Really? So how do you tell whether it's one CPU with 4 cores rather than 2 CPUs with 2 cores?
Because of the separation, notice the graphs are not evenly separated.
Oh yeah, I can see that there's some space right here
Yeah.
and right here.
Yeah, that's what it means. And also on the top there is saying topology cores 4, logical processors 8.
Okay.
See? Yeah. So that's what it's telling you that the processor is doing right now. I mean, that's what you have, right? You have one socket. So that means is one physical. Do I still have that thing? No, I threw it away. I had a main board. I threw it away. But you have one physical socket. So that's one CPU, like a logical, like a thing that you can see. Okay, and then within that you have 4 cores. So it's 4 CPUs stacked on each other, and then within each one of those cores you have 2 logical cores or processors. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is what that means. So if you switch over to memory, you can see your memory. Do you see that? No, you can click on the tabs. There's tabs on the top there. Oh no, click again. See, there's tabs.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay. So that's your memory usage. There's a bunch of data that I'm not gonna go into right now, but all of it is different. If you go, so right now you have a total of 8 gigs of memory.
Okay.
So you have your system memory and you have your physical memory. So those are different. So I/O tells you how much your hard drive is getting used.
Okay.
So it tells you how much RAID, and GPU tells you how much your graphic CPU is being used. Not very much right now, because we're not doing gaming right now.
Right.
And if you go to summary, it shows you a graph of all of them. Okay.
Awesome.
So close this. Now sort by CPU. See that there's a CPU column that is green. If you click on the CPU header,
Yeah.
it should sort by it. Okay. Scroll all the way up. And those are the highest using process right now. Right now, the only one that is using process is the idle process, which means I'm not doing anything. You can also do the same with, we have 10 minutes, okay. You can also do the same thing with private bytes. That tells you who is using the most memory right now. So if you sort by private bytes and scroll up again, you can tell what process is using the most memory right now. So right now, VMM is using the most memory. Do you know what that is?
I have no idea.
So click on it just once, just to select it. And now sort again process. Click on the process sort. the process
Oh, I see.
header. Click once.
Okay.
So see now it actually is showing you where it came from. So that
Okay. Yeah.
what do you think VM compute is?
I couldn't tell you.
Virtual machine compute. Aren't we
There's a
running high?
virtual machine.
Yeah, remember that we have Hyper-V and your database is running under Docker?
Oh yeah. Okay.
So that's the Docker machine that is running. So it's consuming 1.5 gigs. So it's constantly
Wow.
doing that, okay? So if you're going to game with this laptop, you need to click on Start and look for Hyper,
Okay.
just the word Hyper. Oh, never mind. Oh, no, okay, you know what you need to do? Do you see the little up arrow right next to your 78 Fahrenheit temperature there?
Yeah. Right here.
Yeah. Do you see a little Docker icon there?
Yeah.
Double click on it.
Okay.
Okay, so if you're going to game, what you want to do is right click, well, actually right click on that icon. It's okay, ignore that window. Okay,
Okay.
and then you want to say quit Docker desktop. So before you game, you quit Docker desktop. If you're going to develop, you need to run this guy. Does it make sense?
Okay.
Because then you're going to
All
try
right.
to reach your database and you're not going to be able to because Docker is running.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah, I've experienced that in the past, which that's what I usually do is I go in here to make sure that it's still running.
yeah. So just make sure that you stop that if you're going to play a game. Okay,
Okay.
so let's try to quickly go to Visual Studio and see if the oh my gosh, forgot to name the thing. The emulator will
I'm
run,
just gonna. Okay.
and later we need to uninstall this Docker thing and install something else. I don't know what yet,
Okay.
but yeah, Docker is a dying company.
Is it now?
You didn't launch it as admin.
You're right. I did not.
Yeah, I need to stop it and do it again.
Okay. Is there a way to run
Actually,
it as
do,
admin?
yeah, do open this. Wait, let's see if the thing will appear on the bottom there.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, just open it. Just double click.
Okay.
Oh, it's already doing it. Okay. Okay, see the icon on the bottom there? On your taskbar for Visual
Mhm.
Studio? Right click on it and say pin to taskbar. Actually, do you use Amazon icon down there?
I don't.
Okay, right click on it and say unpin. Do you use Minecraft?
Every once in a while, but I can just have a
No,
shortcut.
yeah, just unpin the things that you don't use. Just the ones that you don't click down there. If you use it, then leave it. Did that HP thing installed itself on the taskbar? That is horrible.
I have no idea.
That's a evil thing, HP. Okay, right click on that Visual Studio icon again,
Okay.
and go to the Visual Studio. See, there is another Visual Studio 2022 in there. Right click on it,
Mhm.
and go Properties. Click on Advanced. Okay, that's what I was expecting.
Ah.
Okay, and okay again. Okay, now close this Visual Studio. Now just click on the bottom one. No, the bottom one, the one on taskbar. Don't remove that one because or else you're going to lose this power. So just click on it.
Okay. Awesome.
Now it's in admin mode. Okay, Axiom inventory, open that solution.
Okay.
And by the way, the way you can tell that admin is running is look at the top right. Yep,
Right there.
it says right there. Okay, just wait a little bit. I can feel that it's going faster already because my cafe is no longer here. Okay, yeah, just click on start. Let's try to get this show on the road. No,
Uh-oh.
try to build it. Oh, there. Now click on the Pixel 5.
Right here.
Yep.
Okay, this is different.
Yeah, this is different, but I don't know if it's the different good or the different bad.
Yeah.
It's doing things on the output there, waiting emulator to be ready. Click on Visual Studio. Oh, there.
There we go.
Oh, this is different. This is different,
Way
right?
different. Yeah, super different.
Okay, it's not different anymore, is it? No, this is the same. Okay. Um, okay, right click on, well, it is normal for it to take some time. It should not take forever. I would say maximum like 10 minutes if this takes longer than 10, because this is the first time launching. So think of it as it is actually installing Android.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Awesome. Oh,
You have a
I
Pixel
can't
phone.
wait so much
Congratulations.
now. Sweet. Can I text with it?
Uh, maybe. Maybe if you go to oh, that is good. That is very
Okay.
good. Well, just wait until the application. See right now, you can see on the back there where Visual Studio is running. You can see that it's
Yeah.
doing things in there. So hopefully we'll actually get somewhere. Yeah. So what this thing is going to try to probably do is going to connect now to this emulator and is going to try to talk to the emulator. So it's going to copy the application over. It should be able to launch the application, and then Visual Studio should be able to hook up to it. So you should be able, in theory, to put a breakpoint on your code, and then click on things on the emulator, and then eventually gets to Visual Studio, and it can actually debug. That's
Okay.
where you want to get to. Before you try to do anything else, you need to be able to debug inside the emulator. And here's the cool thing: if you can get like a cheap Android phone, you can connect that Android phone to your computer, and then Visual Studio can load that Android phone with the application, and you can press things on it, and then you can break point on it. Oh, here we go. Hello world. It works. Congratulations. You have a
Awesome.
what do you call a Xamarin application. Honestly,
Okay.
this is the second time that I ever used Xamarin um, since it launched.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, but
This
see,
is awesome.
yeah, in there already you can see there's some options. So I think those are Xamarin options. I don't think that's your application doing it.
Yeah.
Your application is probably on those three dots up there. Actually, click on the hamburger.
Right here.
Yeah. Oh, then maybe that is your application.
Mhm.
Yeah. Now it's time to explore. So what I would do is commit and push because you just got Xamarin thing working. Um,
Okay. Should I just hit the power button? Is that how that works?
I think what you can do is just stop the application on Visual Studio in the background because you probably do not. So what you want to do is once you have this thing running now, you can probably start again, and it's not going to go through that whole process again. It just should just launch the application. If you
Oh, so
close
the
the emulator,
emulator stays up.
yes. So if you click on that start on the Visual Studio, the application should launch really quickly now because the emulator is already up. So if you click on that play button again,
Okay.
and you see, yeah, there you go. The application comes right up because now it's not waiting for the emulator is already up. So you should
Okay.
not close the emulator unless there's something really wrong.
Okay.
Okay, and then also if so, you saw that we were getting some weird errors. Whenever there's weird
Yeah.
errors, you need to go through that exercise of deleting the bin directories, deleting the object directories, and then compiling again. Yay! And commit and push.
Okay. All right. So I guess the
Yeah.
call's gonna end in under a minute. So.
Yes. So have fun. Try to play a little bit with it. See if you can get some text boxes up because you're going to have to do the CRUD stuff in there. So you need to be able to
Okay.
create your inventory. I mean, not inventory, but your products, and then do a read, a create, delete, and update. So get
Okay.
those screens done. See if you can do that.
Okay. Will
All
do.
right. All
Thank
right.
you, Bruno.
You're very welcome. Have fun.
Will do.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye bye. Wait. How do I stop this? I have no idea. Oh, hang up button. Bye bye.